Hi, good morning, everyone. I'm thankful for God, firstly, for this opportunity and privilege that I could share my time again to all of you. I'm so very happy that God wake me up today. Of course, God will not gonna wake you up if He don't need anything from you. God wants you to do something for Him. To connect yourself to the people out there. Okay, actually, I'm very, very busy. During the Ramadan, it's not easy to work. It's not easy to divide your time for God. And to all the people that really important to you, your family and friends and everything. It is not easy for us, but you can see by the grace of God, I am here and I have talked and I asked permission from my employer that I need this moment to be connected to all of you because I am shy that during the night before I'm going to sleep, I am giving the last moment of my time for the whole day that I am working. It's a shame on me. So that's why I asked her and I explained to her. But of course, they are my family here. They are important to me. I will connect myself as always to this family first before I'm sharing something to all of you. Okay? Why I am here? Simply because of my love to all of you. As a Christian or not Christian, it's not easy to follow what God wants us to do, right? The commandment of God. Don't lie, don't steal. This commandment, 10 commandments, So much things there that you need to follow. But as human, it's not easy. We cannot fulfill it, because we are just human. Because if you could follow that, all the commandments of God, then you will be holy, you will be righteous, okay? And you will be perfect. And that is not possible because as human, you will never be perfect because only God is perfect, right? So only God have the power to fulfill all that commandments, only God will do that perfectly because He is not human. God is God. He has the power, to do everything that God will never get a mistake. Okay, but God emphasized something that we can do it, that it's so easy, and it's free. God provide this to us, to all of us, for free. That you don't need to buy it. You don't need anything to buy this. But you know what is it? God emphasized the most important, that God wants us to do. What is it? To love. Okay? God didn't tell us to look someone to love us. God said to love. Okay? To give love. Okay? Because what we do to the people out there around us, we do the same thing to God, right? You realize what I'm trying to say? God wants us to give love, to share love. Because God knows exactly that if we give love to the people, okay, this is the same thing that we are doing to God. This is the same thing that we give to God as well. And what you give to the people around you, it's the same thing. What you can get it back. It's the same thing what you will receive. The thing that you give, the thing that you have shared. Okay? If you give love, 100% you will receive love as well. Okay? Especially from God. Because what you give for the people around you is the same thing that God will give you back. The love that you give and that you share. So imagine why God emphasized this. Imagine that you will feel the love of God, that you will have the love from God. Okay, because that is what you give. Yes? for all the love that we can have in this world, if God will give us His love, do you have any idea? You know the happiness that you will feel? The different kind of love, or the holy love from God. If God will give you His love, of course, there is nothing for you to be scared. There is nothing for you to be worried. You will be needless because God will be provided. Because God giving you love. And love of God, the love from God is the answers of everything. The love from God is the answers for everything in this world. Okay? If we manage to give love, to all the people, if you could manage to do that, then everything will be fine. It will conquer, it will cover all the commandments of God. Do not steal, do not do adultery, respect your parents and everything. If you manage to do that, it will conquer everything in this world. That's why God emphasized this for all of us. And that's why what is happening around us nowadays, it's not easy to conquer this, simply because some of us, we don't have love. We are not giving love to those people around us. Okay? This is so simple. Okay? Why God provide us this love? It's so simple, this love, You don't go there everywhere to buy this. It's only here inside your heart. It's available 24/7 inside your heart. God didn't tell you, give your neighbor like this, give your like this, and like that, and like that. God emphasized for one thing, give love. And love is time. Love is time. If you lose your time, how you could give love? You get what I mean? So you must understand the importance of love. This will make everything what? Imperfect. To make everything imperfect. It will make everything in what? In a good harmony. If we manage to give love to each other. Because God said, give love. Why? He didn't tell us to look someone to love you. You have to understand this world is not in favor for us. It's always against towards us. So if you look someone to love you, what will happen to you? If you're always searching someone to love you, like what I do before, it's not important to look for someone to love you, because it will hurt you. It will hurt you if you're always longing for someone to love you. But if you always, your intention is to give love always, and you focus on this, you have no issue. You will never have an issue, because what you give is only love. And from your heart, then when you give love, okay, God will return it back to you what you give, and that is love. So imagine how God will give you His love. So as you can see, the flowers that I shared to you long time ago, okay, all the wild flowers out there, so they look so pretty, they look so gorgeous, they look so amazing, despite the fact that nobody is taking care of them. Okay, they look so very fresh and green and so lovely, because they were taken care of what? By the love of God. So imagine if you are always have the desire and you have the intention to give love to the people around you. That is the thing that God will give you back as well. So when you do that, so there is nothing for you to be worried. Because if you got the love of God, what else you can, you will be satisfied with the love of God. If you're always longing for someone to love you, the end is what? It will end to nothing. Because they will hurt you. Because they are not perfect. People who are not perfect in this world, will always hurt you. That's why the people who are closest to us, who loves us, they always hurt us. Because they are not perfect. You get what I mean? But if you are longing to have the love of God, how can God will hurt you? Because God is not human. God is God and He is perfect. So meaning there is nothing. God have no reason to hurt you. Okay? So enjoy life. Always have the intention to share love. Okay? As you can see me nowadays, this is the desire of God. Despite the fact that I am busy, my boss is here. But God gave me the desire, God gave me the opportunity to be here. Okay? Look at me. Yeah? How I talk and how I shared something. This is not me. Okay? You get what I mean? God is using me, to share my life, to give time to all of you. Because this is God wants me to do today. So He's the one who is in control. Remember what I told you during Ramadan. It will not be easy for me to do this because I'm a very busy person. Okay? But God decide this. God have the desire for me to do this, to be connected to all of you. He always touches the heart of my employer to give the freedom, to give freedom to Mar, to be connected to all the people out there. God is touching the heart of my boss. That's the heart of my madam. Not what? Not to let Mar, not to do his duty for me by doing this to all of you. Okay? So this is what I want to share to all of you. Don't look at me as me. Look what I am doing is exactly only for God, because I want God's love in my life. This is all matter for me. The love of God for me. This is what I want to feel today. God's love. Okay, God bless you everyone. I love you all.